everybody, this is Cameron from Bird Barrier, coming from the ProLab Studios in Los Angeles, here to talk about the new electric battery-powered Freeman Hog-Ring tool. Everybody's been using either the hand tools or pneumatic tools for many years. There have been a couple attempts at electric tools that were very slow and unsatisfying. This is the first time we've been able to offer an electric battery-powered cordless hog-ring tool that is fast. In fact, has the same exact mechanism that you're familiar with when you use the pneumatic tool. So we're going to slide the battery in, power it up, and watch how fast this tool actually fires rings. Same mechanism as the other tool. Here's how fast this tool is when you just pull the trigger repeatedly. So that is as fast as a pneumatic tool or any other tool you've ever seen, and that's going to keep you getting your jobs done quickly. It weighs just under 7 pounds, so it's a little bit on the heavy side. It does come with a handle which can be screwed on and held up for extra strength, but mostly when you're using one of these, you're using your other hand to hold the net. So this may or may not be a good feature for you. It comes with a professional carrying case, as you can see over here. The battery slides off and slides into position here. The tool fits nicely in here. So it comes with tool, 2 batteries, charger, the handle, comes with some lubricant, and it comes with a belt clip so you can hang the tool on your belt. Also included is a detailed schematic of all the parts inside the tool and the owner's manual. So the case is very nice. Latch is closed. Pick it up, off you go. This uses the 3/4 inch 15G rings available from us in galvanized and stainless steel. This tool holds the 100 sleeves, and the battery is good for 10 of these 100 sleeves. So that means you get 1,000 rings per battery charge. So you always want to have your second battery charging while you're using the first one. Of course, you can get extra batteries, and there's also an adapter available that allows you to use other batteries from other tools. This is a 20-volt battery. I keep talking about it even though it's not in the tool itself. So 20-volt battery, and it's a wonderful tool. It's super fast. We've had people using it. They love it. The only downside is it's a little bit heavy. So most times you got 2 guys working on a lift. You might have one guy do this for 10 minutes and have the other person do another 10 minutes and switch back and forth. So place your orders quickly and click the link below for pricing and order information. Thank you.